Hello everyone, this is my review of the Samsung SmartThings Hub. If you have a smart house or want to have a smart house, this device is really needed or helps a lot because it connects to all your smart devices wirelessly and can control them for you. You can even set up automatic commands for things to turn on, turn off, and you can monitor them and switch them on and off and do voice controls and all kinds of goodies with this hub. So I highly recommend it if you considering making your home into a smart home or have any devices you just want to connect to so many different devices and bring them all together in one place. So I hope this review helps.